How to delete a list on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete a list on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and here you will find some options. All what you have to do is choose the lists option. Now go down and click on your lists, and here is your list. For example, this is my list right here. Now all what you have to do is go down, or you can just click on edit list, and you will find delete list option. Click on it and click delete, and your list will be deleted. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.